In this video, we'll be going over the unboxing of your new live scan system from BIM. We're going to be doing the demo today on a laptop system, however, the instructions will be very similar on a desktop. So we'll start by grabbing your laptop computer, and inside the box, the first thing we want to pull out is going to be our packing list. Once we pull out the packing list, go ahead and remove this box right here, which will have your power cord, and then we can pull out the laptop computer itself. To remove the laptop, we're just going to pull protective foam, and then we'll remove the laptop from the plastic. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the power cord. We're going to have the cable as well as a power brick. With the power brick and the cable, we'll go ahead and plug it in. This end will go to your standard wall outlet, and USB-C connection will go into your laptop. Next, we'll unbox your scanner. First thing we're going to pull out is going to be your driver's license reader, some fingerprint enhancer, a bottle of Parker's Perfect anti-fogging spray, microfiber cloth, and a ball of Cornhuskers lotion. Now we'll go ahead and remove the scanner itself by lifting up on the foam. Now we'll take our fingerprint scanner, USB-C cable, and we'll plug it into a USB-C port. We'll take our mag strip reader, remove it from the included microstatic bag. Take a standard USB, and we'll plug it into an additional port on our laptop. Next thing we want to do is we'll confirm with our packing list, make sure we have all the included items. In this case, we have our laptop, our fingerprint scanner, our driver's license reader, and our fingerprint kit. Last step is going to be opening up your computer and hitting your power button. If you have any additional questions after unboxing the system, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support department, and you can email support@bioinfomgt.com, or feel free to call our phone number, area code 614-456-1296, option 4 for tech support. Thank you.